Why do some Congress leaders always believe in pitting Gandhis versus India? Every achievement, particularly linked to wildlife and forest conservation that takes place in the country today. Congress leaders like Jairam Ramesh are in habit of portraying it as something to do with Gandhi family. Some days back, Jairam Ramesh shared some pictures on X. The pictures were that of late PM Indira Gandhi, along with tiger cubs. He did so on the occasion of PM Modi's visit to Vantara, a wildlife rehabilitation center, where PM's pic with some of the wild animals at the center was shared in the social media. By posting Indira Gandhi pictures with tiger cubs, Jairam Ramesh was obviously giving a message that the late Congress PM had already done what PM Modi was doing today. But then, why Jairam, instead of applauding the present-day government at Centre, is in habit of repeatedly doing such posts? On Sunday, Centre declared the Madhav National Park in Madhya Pradesh as the country's 58th tiger reserve, with Union Environment Minister Bhupendra Yadav making the announcement. Even the PM applauded the development. Amazing news for wildlife lovers. India is blessed with wildlife diversity and a culture that celebrates wildlife. We will always be at the forefront of protecting animals and contributing to a sustainable planet, PM Modi said on X. But then, Jairam Ramesh cannot be expected to write a few words on country's present-day achievement. He can go to archives to praise the late Indira Gandhi, but no words of commendation for the present-day Prime Minister. Does Jairam can answer as to how tigers vanished from Saraska, or why did cheetah went extinct from the country in 1952, and what did subsequent governments in power at Centre did to restore the wild cats? Those were the days of Congress rule, and certainly Jairam Ramesh, who now and then gives credit to Gandhi for all the conservation that has taken place in the country before 2014, must also give discredit to them for their conservation follies.